Katie?
What?
Katie, come here.
What's wrong with you? Is that us?
What the hell?
Is this some kind of joke? What is this? Did you do this?
Oh, yeah, I designed and printed a fake video cover of our entire family in old clothes. Of course I didn't do this.
But it can't be real.
It's coming back to me. I remember now that we used to live in that house, and every week we get up to like hijinks. Dad's boss came around, and Mum had to hide the stray dog I brought home, or I had to sneak out of the house after I ripped your favorite sweater to buy you a new one. Don't you remember?
Oh my God, you're right. How could I have forgotten all that? Our whole life was a sitcom. You and your friends got into trouble every week, but you'd all learn a lesson and we'd all hug at the end of the day.
That's right, I had friends, I was happy.
And I was...
Still a stroppy teenager, obsessed with what everyone thought of you. Don't blame me, I didn't write it.
But how did we get from an old video of a sitcom to where we are now? How could we have forgotten that?
It was the same with the puka. He didn't know he'd escaped from a video, he thought he was real.
My memories of childhood were always a bit fuzzy.
Mine too. Wait, do Mum and Dad know about this? Have they been keeping this a secret the whole time, that our whole life is a lie?
No, they couldn't have. Could they?
We have to tell them, we have to show them the video.
Hang on. We cannot tell anyone about this. If people find out, they'll stick us in a lab and do experiments on us.
Please, we're not aliens.
Well, I don't know, do I? Promise me you won't tell anyone about this until we work out what's going on.
Okay.
Not a word to Mum and Dad.